So we're at my grandparents' house, and this is the air conditioner. It's an Aire-Flo with a Copeland Reciprocating Compressor and an interlink fan motor. 4 blades. Here are the specs. Model number 4AC13L48P-7A. It's a 4-ton. Serial number 1913K10250. It's from 2013. These houses were just finished like almost 2 years ago. It's from the 19th week of 2013. So yeah. Here's the lines. And go all the way to the furnace, and has a Midwest disconnect. So fans spinning when it's just off because the wind's blowing it. About 10 feet away from it. So it's an Aire-Flo air conditioner we're at my grandparents' house, and this is a 2013 4-ton Aire-Flo air conditioner. So thank you for watching. This is just a pretty short video, so I just need to stay out here for the amount of time that I need to do my business. So thank you for watching, and I'm coming back with more AC units. So bye.